Okay guys, I was not really planning on filming this. As you can see, my nails look like garbage. I'm headed to go get my nails done and I look like crap because I just got out of the shower. However, I just had something super exciting roll up on my porch and I can't not tell you about it. So let's first start with story time. Okay, me and Jimmy are absolutely obsessed with GT360s by Storm. I've been looking absolutely everywhere trying to stock up on them. We use the 4.5 inchers. And so for whatever reason, they're literally nowhere. I checked Academy, Cabela's, Bass Pro, like Walmart. I mean, literally everywhere I could think of, I was trying to buy it. So couldn't find the heads, the jig heads anywhere. Finally, I pull up the RAPALA website, which RAPALA is the company that owns Storm. And I found out they had a new design they just came out with for SHAD, which looks just, it's like GT360 Searchbaits, but it's done slightly different. They look sick. So we ordered an ungodly amount. I think we dumped about $150 in these bad boys because I know that this is an amazing brand and an amazing design, the original one. So I'm completely confident these are gonna pay off. Okay, so here's the first color we got, which is the, what's it called? I can't remember, it doesn't matter. It's got the black flecks and it's gray. That's our favorite one. I think it's called Smoking Ghost. Smoking Ghost, I believe, is this color palette. That's one of our favorites for the original GT360s. Another one we got is this kind of green tinted one. It's got like a white belly and green tint. I thought that would look nice for like striper because they tend to kind of hit greens or whites. Okay, I got these clear ones. Honestly, a little nervous about this. I wanted to get the white ones because that's our two go-tos is the Smoking Ghost and then Gaga, which is a solid white body with a silver head. They were out of Gaga because again, it just came out, so I'm guessing their quantity is kind of low, but they had this sparkling white. It's close enough, so that's what we're gonna call it. And I got so many, you guys. That's like, I already pulled a bunch out. I mean, I was not messing around. Let me see what this is. Okay, hold on. Why is there something in a box? In a box. Oh, okay. They just included some of them separately. Okay, cool. So many. I am so stoked. Okay, more of that one. And this one. They're probably like, Jesus Christ, what are you, like a friggin', oh, there's some of the green ones. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look, they gave me some stuff. Oh, how awesome is that? I'm gonna put this on the bag. Hold on, let me show you. I love Storm, honestly. Huge fan of Storm. So I think Storm was originally an American company, but someone overseas, which is RAPALA, actually purchased them. So we got both Storm and RAPALA little logos in the box. I don't know if they include that in every box, but again, we spent too much money, so that's probably why. But y'all, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to fish with these. An idea I had is we just released our video on fishing that private pond, which is absolutely smothered in largemouths. And my uncle's needing me to transport the largemouths from the small pond to the big pond in the back. So I'm kind of thinking we should take these up against the Castmasters and see what color and what color works best and if they're effective. The only downside is these are the larger size. They have two sizes, which is 4.5 inches and 3.5 inches. My concern is that these might be a little too large for those bass out there, but at the same time, it'll attract the larger ones. So it's kind of like maybe we'll get more on the Castmaster, but the quality ones will probably come on these. So one thing I really love about this new design is because of the body shape. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna bust one open. Why not? Because of the body shape, they're gonna have more weight behind them. And when I used to order my 4.5 inch original GT360s, I used to want the heaviest head because it gets the most distance, obviously. So having a thicker body is nothing but beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, it's so awesome. I am so psyched to fish with these. We're headed to Port Aransas this weekend, so we're not gonna be freshwater fishing, which sucks, but we'll probably still take a couple of these just in case, but usually I do these for freshwater. They're really effective. Anyway, okay, if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so because we are definitely gonna give these guys a whirl and see how it goes, let you know what the best color is, let you know if the size is effective, and just tell you how it is as a bait. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later.